Hey, how's everyone doing? My name is Steve Friedler, and this is my personal introduction. So, background here at Coastal. I'm a senior here at Coastal. I'm graduating this year, class of 2021, and I'm a business management major here, and I thoroughly enjoy my major. Where I'm from, so I'm originally from Connecticut. I lived there most of my life. Um, After my senior year of high school, I did a post grad year at a school up in New Hampshire. It was absolutely freezing, and I just played hockey there for a year. Didn't do much learning. And then I was ready to get out of the cold after living in Connecticut and in New Hampshire. So I came down here to South Carolina, and I plan on living here for probably the majority of my life. Hobbies and interests. As I said before, I played hockey for 17 years. I'm a huge sports fan. I love all professional sports. I'm a Giants fan, a Bruins fan, Celtics fan, and Red Sox fan. I love hanging out with my friends and family, as I'm sure most of you all do. And I love fitness and health. Other than that, I'm really looking forward to working with all of you, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your semester.